So you just printed the ray hammer, and this is what you should have. Now I'm going to show you how to put it together quickly. The ray hammer features a TPU head, so these parts are squishy, meaning it's indestructible, well, virtually. All you need to do is grab the rest of the components printed in PLA in your chosen color. You'll notice there are two rings. Inner ring, let's call it A, and outer ring, let's call it B. These two will come together, but before we do that, we need to slot the TPU cup inside the outer edge of the inner ring. And once you finish, you should have something that looks like this. All it needs to do then is to slot this in, but you notice it's a bit tight to fit in. All you need to do is to open it slightly so it can slot in. Find the middle part of the inner ring and ensure that the gaps aligns. This will be important in the future. Right now, the squeaker insert will go in here when it's released. And when you've done that, you have virtually completed the first part. Most important one is that the TPU head will not come out anymore. The dual band system ensures the TPU head will stay on the track to stop any movement. Next, we take the handle, the logo side facing you, and slot in the clip. The clip you have will look different because the P is now gone. Slot the hammer into the locking head, like so. Once you've done, you have something that looks like this. All is left now is to grab the pin and put it through the middle. And you notice the end of the pin has a certain shape that looks like a diamond. This is the Pipin diamond joint, and you'll find the opening that matches the orientation. If not, just kind of play around with it. And once you're done, just twist. And there you go. See you later.